कुछ ऐसी सी विल्डरनेस में ही होती है गुच्छी. I think Gucci or Morels in Kashmir are found in wilderness. I'm not trying to find it because this is not the season or the weather, but this is the place. This is where it is literally hunted. How truffles are so precious, so are Kashmiri Morels, Gucci. I may not be able to find it here, but it's served in so many different styles, mostly savory, of course. It's something which is very expensive. World may not know too much about it. Truffles are celebrated, exported, but morels are a hidden treasure. Should we keep it like this, or should the world know about it? I think there should not be any secret that should be there when it comes to food or when it comes to any special ingredient. Kashmiri Gucci, Kashmiri Morels, world has to discover. Come with me. Here it is. Gucci, dried Gucci. This is the flavor is intense. It's earthy, mushroom-like. You add one Gucci to rice, and the whole aroma of that rice changes. But in weddings and all, especially part of growing up in a Punjabi family, having a dish made with Gucci was considered something that, oh, you belong to a rich family, because the cost of Gucci is it's expensive. I remember at that time it used to be about 5,000 rupees a kilo. Now it's almost 3 times of that. Expensive ingredient. So for using, you soak this in water. So you soak this in water, and it look at the texture of it. The whole texture is fantastic. The flavor is the aroma is long lasting. It has a nice earthy nutty taste, and you can literally taste the soil where it comes from, and you wouldn't add it to any mundane dishes. You would want to create something special with it. It could be a kebab made with Gucci, but then that's expensive. You could stuff it. You could stuff nuts into it. You could stuff cheese into it. You could stuff many things, and you could cook that. You can cook this with rice. Gucci Pulav. I haven't eaten anything like this. So while you long for truffles from Italy, from Alba, and that's seasonal, so is Gucci. It's seasonal, but you can dry it and use it year long. Thank you, Kashmir, for giving us such a wonderful ingredient.